Hi! Lots of people have made inquiries about the Music Matters theme. And one of the inquiries is, where did it come from? Who wrote it? Well, I have to own up to that. I'm the composer of the Music Matters theme. And just to give you a kind of heads up on how this actually looks if you write it down, so we can associate it with the sound, here's the first phrase on the board. So you can see what I've done here. I've just sort of presented this as you might see it on a lead sheet, and it's quite interesting to see how that works. So you've got the melody here and you've got the chords listed above. There are different ways of notating the chords, but I've done it through one method. We've got an E flat major chord there. There's a diminished seventh built on E. There's different ways of notating that on a lead sheet, but that's one way of doing it. There's an F minor 7 chord there. There's another diminished seventh based on F sharp. Then we've got a chord of E flat. This is what we call a slash chord. So E flat slash G simply means it's an E flat major chord, but G is the bass note. It's at the bottom of that chord. Then we're back to an F minor 7 chord. And then we've got a B flat chord with a sus4 in it. So just a fourth above the B flat in the bass that resolves to the third. So if I've got B flat in the bass and I've got a sort of B flat chord, then the fourth above this B flat is E flat. So E flat, which is a little bit of a clash that resolves to the third, is what that's about. And then an E flat chord to finish. So the melody goes like this. And when I put it with the chords, it goes like this. So if you've been listening to this theme, which comes up at the beginning of all of our Music Matters videos, well, now you can see what it looks like on paper. And for those of you who want to play it, you could work out what those chords are on the piano or the guitar or whatever you want to do with that. And you've got the melody there that you could play on any instrument. And this video is also a little bit of a sort of heads up that I've done a series of these, which is using the opening of the Music Matters theme to present it in various different musical styles. So if you have a scout around our channel on YouTube, you'll find this presented in Baroque style as a kind of fugal exposition, totally different style. You'll find it in a classical style, you find it in a romantic style, and we'll be running out a whole series of those over the coming years, presenting the theme in different ways, which is quite a fun thing to do, just to realise that you can take the same material and present it in a totally new context. So there we have it, the Music Matters theme, notated melodically and harmonically as it might appear on a lead sheet.